Is it easy to rule the poor over the rich? As you think about that, let me request you to subscribe to this channel, follow on Pinterest and Facebook, and also don't forget to frequently check the website www.lowfocal.site. Now, welcome to Global Patriotism, and back to the topic: ruling the poor versus ruling the rich. Which one would you choose if you're a leader, whether democratic or a dictator? Which one would you choose? At the end of this video, I would like you to give your feedback in the comment section. So now, there are a lot of belief around the world, mostly by dictators, that ruling the poor is more easier than ruling the rich. This is common in low developed countries like continents such as Africa, South America, and also the Asian countries. One thing that most of these leaders have forgotten is examples set by the United States and the United Kingdom. You've seen something like a rebel is something which is no longer existing in their dictionary. We see rebels in the United States and also we see rebels in the United Kingdom only in movies such as the Wolverines and such. Olympus has fallen, London has fallen. Then you find movies like Angels has fallen, which are just modern future kind of predictive movie, future threat control movies, in other words, fictions. So, rebel activities are long gone in the United States and the United Kingdom, but it is very common in Africa, South America, and Asia. This is why, because the people are poor. Think about this. Do you think Elon Musk will allow rebel in US destroy his satellite farms? No. Do you think Jeff Bezos, Richie Sondai, do you think all those people will allow rebels? And other lot of business magnates, even in the United Kingdom. Do you think Manchester United owners, Manchester City owners, Liverpool owners will allow rebels? They will be the first people to help government fund counterattack on the rebels, because they don't want it to happen. Now, let me bring you back to a simpler form. A person who has good houses or good house, a good car, can afford all the good meals, as a family to live, as a home and a house to stay in. Do you think that person will accept to go for war, or would wish war to happen in his or her own life? Now also think about this person. Is unemployed, is poor, can barely afford a meal a day. The family has no house, or lives in the street, or sometimes rents very expensive, or waged, or a house just being donated. Buy second-hand clothes which are very cheap, does not have any proper transport means, actually always suffering. Poor people, which are the majority of Africans. Do you think that person will not wish to go for war once the opportunity comes? Poor people will quickly join rebels if rebels come with clear agenda, or if rebels, give some payment, or if rebels make big promises like government positions or payment after they go. That is how many African countries and other LDCs are continuously facing instabilities because of poverty. And that's why ultimately ruling a poor person is very difficult, because a poor person has nothing to lose, while a rich one has everything to lose if war comes. You've looked at what happened in Ukraine. Skyscrapers have been brought down with missiles. Schools have been bombed. A lot of people killed. Because majority of people are rich, and that is very painful. Now, if those people were the ones who choose to go for war, they would not choose. And if it was a rebel kind of activity, it would quickly be stopped. But look at a poor person who has nothing to lose, actually always frustrated. And you know, anger triggers more wisdom than happiness, because in happiness, our mind is set to enjoyment, but in sadness, our mind is set to think. So, in conclusion, ruling the poor is more difficult than ruling the rich. If this video has made sense to you, please, I request you to like it. Also, don't forget to share it to your friends. And as I asked you earlier, give the feedback in the comment section. Thank you and bye-bye.
Dini kompiti kanina jo barja yoti ni ko nuo pundino kwero punyo ko dong mi kwero na lego